Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 4 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge for October. Hit the like button to subscribe and join me on Discord. Let me know what you think. And today's problem is remove covered intervals. Okay. N is equal to 1000. So N is equal to 1000 makes it a little bit interesting in that you can definitely do N square. And in N square, it's going to be fast enough. It's going to be okay. I'm thinking about whether you could do an n log n, where you sort the intervals and do some kind of scan line, sweep line algorithm. I don't think there is a easy way to do it because you have to keep track of the sets that are before and then after as you do the events. Maybe you could do it, but it's a little bit tricky. So I'm going to do the n square algorithm, and then maybe we'll take a look at the hint and see if we can upsolve it later. Cool. But with the n square, it is pretty straightforward, and I think you play to the constraints a little bit. So it's basically, let's see, right? So let's just say used is equal to 4, or maybe covered. Covered is equal to 4 times n, where n is equal to the length of intervals. And now it's for, I don't know, ax, ay in intervals. Let's enumerate this. Enumerate. So index, or a index, ai. And then we could just, we'll be a little bit naive. And then now if ai is equal to bi, just continue. Otherwise, we'll check if ax is covered by bx, right? So ax is covered by bx if is ax and a, is this always sorted? Yep, okay. So that means that there are only 2 cases, right? It's either bx completely is something like okay, yeah, and you may do something even funky like this. If this is true, or now if this is true, then covered ai is equal to true, and then we could break out early, and that's pretty much all we need. What are we counting? Are we just counting the number of covered or not covered? Remaining, so not covered, right? So that means that we can return count of covered n minus count covered. That should be good, maybe, unless I got my syntax well. Let's. Okay, find the numbers required. I thought it could do an implicit bool to int, but maybe not. That's why we're always learning. But let me finish typing in the test cases. So we want the number of not true, right? So number of false. So I think it's this sum actually in this case. Cool. Clearly there's something wrong. Okay. N is 2 and I return 1. That's weird. Okay. Do I have a typo? It seems pretty straightforward not to have typos, but or to be pretty okay. So 3.6 is covered. That sounds right? So we count the number of fours. So this is a 4. Should be 1, right? Oh, I think I keep on being too clever for myself. I basically did a double negative. Okay, so that looks good. Me being a little silly. Let's submit it. This is So why am I confident that one? Because it looks like it should be n squared due to because we do n squared. This is naive. We try every possibility. So that's why I'm relatively confident once the tests are okay. So cool. So this is linear. This is quadratic time. Linear. What do you call it? Linear space. So if you take a look at this can be done in constant space because we call a break anyway. So you could just have a variable and then count by one at any time. Let's see if there's an n log n solution. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I guess that's actually the hint don't really help. But yeah, so that's all I have for this problem. Let me know what you think. This is actually what they give you. So I don't think there's anything tricky here. But let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and join me on Discord, and I will see ya next problem tomorrow. Bye bye.